What's your name?
My name is Jenny.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat oatmeal with fruits.
Why is it raining?
It's the weather today.
When do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What's your age?
I'm 20 years old.
What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball.
When do you visit family?
I visit them every weekend.
Can you swim well?
No, I can't.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, but I'm learning.
Do you like music?
Sure, I love music.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading books.
Why are you late?
I missed the bus.
Do you speak English?
Sure, I speak English.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
What's your dream job?
I want to be a teacher.
What's your favorite drink?
I like iced coffee.
What did you eat?
I ate some pasta.
Are you feeling cold?
No, it's warm here.
What's your favorite snack?
I love chips.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't have one.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, when I'm in a hurry.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't drive yet.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
Do you need help?
No, thank you. I can manage.
Is this your bag?
No, it's my friend's.
When is your birthday?
It's in January.
Can you speak French?
Yes, I can.
Who is in your family?
We have one brother, 2 sisters.
What's your brother's name?
My brother's name is John.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is David.
Which class is your younger sister in?
She's in 5th grade.
How many rooms are in your house?
There are 6 rooms.
What's your favorite food?
I love Italian food.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like bananas.
Can you draw?
Yes, I enjoy drawing.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite season?
I love the summer.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I enjoy swimming.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch often.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Lion King.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs best.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I love tea.
Have you been to Paris?
No, but I plan to.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy hiking.
What do you drink in the morning?
I usually drink coffee.
What's your favorite type of cake?
I love cheesecake.
Have you visited your old school?
Yes, I went last month.
What's your favorite song?
I love Imagine.
What's your favorite app?
I like using Instagram.
What do you enjoy eating?
I enjoy homemade meals.
What do you like doing?
I like hanging out with friends.
Do you live alone?
No, with my family.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved in.
Are you enjoying the weather?
Yes, it's really nice.
Have you ever been to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Have you tried ice skating?
No, but I want to.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too much.
Are you good at math?
Yes, I find it easy.
Have you been to the zoo?
Yes, it was amazing.
Have you eaten lunch yet?
No, I'll eat soon.
Have you called your dad?
Yes, we talked yesterday.
Have you ever lost something?
Yes, my phone once.
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Yes, that sounds great. Bye.